Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The next command will help you to install Geany text editor using the apt package manager. Run the following command. The second method to install Geany is by flatpak. Run the next command to install the flatpak manager. The next command adds the flathub repository to your system, which is a popular source for flatpak applications. Run the next command to install the Geany text editor from the flathub repository. Lastly, you need to go into your desktop and search by the system search bar or by icon. There you will see the Geany. Geany will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.